description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, we've got this. This is Tapatio chicken ramen noodle soup. The whole name is Tapatio ramen noodle soup chicken flavored ramen. There you go. So that's what I am throwing together today. It is March 24th, 2026. It's a fancy day today. Why is it such a fancy day, ramen noodle guy? I don't know. Why not? We'll just call it a fancy day. Where's the edges of these? There we go. That should be. It is a largo noodle block. I learned that because my kids are like, there's all these little apps on their little tablets. And God, my dad is just like, oh, there's all your little friends. You got a tablet? Oh, look at that. It's all little. I'd be just like, which reminds me of the thing my son's been doing lately, and I don't know why. It's like, I think he thinks it's cool, but we were like at Costco the other day, and he just like, he went like this. He saw some other kid at Costco and went like that. It's like, what the frickin' heck is that, dude? I don't understand. Why are you doing that? My wife noticed it too. I was like, you probably shouldn't do that to some kids, because they might take that as an affront on their coolness. I don't know. Or he'll do that and somebody be like, oh, you looking, dude? You looking? I got some. You looking? He'll be like, I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean looking? Like, you're not. I mean, my kid's super cool, but I don't know. It's like, don't start saying what's up 3 times in a row to people. Replying, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Oh, yeah, so. Yeah, it is a rainy March 24th. I went out and got completely soaked. But I live in Washington State, so that's like not such a big deal. There's always this whole thing about, oh, Seattle area, yeah, lots of rain. Yeah. Honestly, it's not as much as you might think. It's like I would be more guessing that when it comes down and it's insane, that's more of an East Coast thing, like Northeast or Chicago. We just get, when we get rain, we get a whole bunch of it in one period of time, and then it's like the rest of the time it's not extremely rainy. Yeah, I went out and walked around and got soaked and looked to see how much blueberries would cost at the farmer's market. And the farmer's market, they didn't even have blueberries. The guy I talked to, he was an interesting cat. I'm all like, hey man, where are the blueberries here? It's like, we ain't got none. I'm like, oh, where are they? Why not? Last batch we got, they were shit. Okay. That's too bad. Well, when are you going to get more? When they stop looking like shit. It's like, alright, dude. I'll be back. That's where I got my mint plants from. This guy just looked like all around like very unhappy. So I feel you. I can get with it. I'm good. Oh yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned, but my wife got me a birthday present that didn't show up until Thursday, Friday? I can't remember. But it was an album by someone named Doja Cat, because there's like this one song that I like. Wow, that album is crazy. And it's on vinyl too, white opaque vinyl. I've never had any colored vinyl before. Now it's like everywhere. Like if you get a new album or a reprint of an album, it's usually on colored vinyl, which is kind of weird because there wasn't just like tons of colored vinyl when vinyl was king. So I mean, you can get vinyl all sorts of stuff. But our noodles are gone. So we're going to talk about noodles now. I'm very curious about this one. I'm very curious also about how the bowl that I got for it is going to play. Because the bowl I have rather, is a rather large bowl, but this noodle calls for 530 milliliters of water. So, super large amount of broth. The noodle block was pretty massive. Tapatio chicken flavored ramen. It smells really good. Good chew on them. Good heat level. Definitely getting like, I'm thinking cumin in there. I don't know if this is, I'm going to say this is not a capsicum oleo resin type of heat. This is a pepper heat. It's like, was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday I did one, and it had oleo resin in it, which is basically just pepper extract. But it was like, it was weird. I like that. One thing I will say right off the bat, it doesn't taste like chicken. Chicken's a weird flavor when it comes right down to it. Honestly, chicken itself is not a strong flavor. Unlike things like other meats, like duck. You know, beef has its flavor. Beef has its time in the sun. But I don't know. But yeah, this is good. Alright, where are we going here? I have egg. I made eggs earlier. The best eggs ever. Best day ever for eggs. Ooh, here's an unhealthy amount of scallion. Yeah, baby. If you still watch this show, person who said that I use an unhealthy amount of green onions, dude, I'll never forget that statement. I still think that's the best. I do have chicken. I have a lot of chicken. More chicken than totally necessary, but I'm not going to let it sit in the fridge another day. No, sir. Ding, 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 ding. It's really tricky to figure out which way I want to do my egg sometimes. I'm going to do it this way. And be hopeful. Ooh, look at that yolk. Wow. Okay, now don't. Ah! Christ. Alright. Now we have to do some work. That sucks. Every once in a while, it's like I have the premonition of what's going to happen. And my premonition was that that egg was going to slide right off that knife and go to La La Land. However, we've got a lot of yolk here. And I am going to have to employ it. I think I just saw a squirrel friend out there. Would you like to see our squirrel friends? So we're looking at an apartment. Unfortunately, the apartment would literally be up a bunch. Oh yeah, there's a squirrel friend. Come on, let's go say hi to squirrel friend. There he is. Look at that. Our little squirrel friend. It's either Shirl or Burl. Eating the nits. Yeah, I'm gonna miss that. I like our squirrel friends. They're enjoyable to have around. Oh, my God, was still on. Okay, well, that egg worked out pretty darn well. I think it could have done a bit better. And what else have I got? I don't have any Tapatio, but I do have pepper thread, which seems kind of wrong. Yeah, I'm gonna skip on the pepper thread. I think maybe because they sent me a bunch of different varieties. Again, thank you for that, Tapatio folk. I think I'm gonna try to be more using cheese on the rest of these. I didn't really think it through. I was like, hey, I need to use the chicken. That way or that way? I'm gonna go with that way. Anyways, Rotato, yeah. But yeah, I'll miss the squirrels, miss our garden. It's like, it would suck not to have a patio, but it may be moving to the east side in a bigger apartment up in the sky. I think that would be cool. Anyways, here we go. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.